Hey everybody, welcome to the Adventures of Noah. Today we are making uncooked Play-Doh. I am going to have so much fun. So, first we have a cup of flour.
We got another quarter of cup of salt.
And then we have a half a cup of water. And then we have a tablespoon of some oil.
We also have 3 jugs of blue colouring.
So we're going to mix salt in with the flour.
Oh.
So next we are going to make a well inside of the middle of the flour.
So now we're going to pour the oil into the cup.
Next, pour your food coloring into your water.
See guys, it turned on the blue. See guys, see guys, now we mix. Oh, jelly, jelly, jelly. Jelly, jelly, jelly.
Next, put in your colored water to the flour. But make sure you don't do it too fast because it will get sticky, so we'll just do it slow.
Put it on the table.
If it's sticky like ours, just put in some more flour and knead it. So keep kneading it until it's not so sticky anymore. Ours is perfect. So we rolled it up into a ball and it feels really nice. I just want to give a shout out for the video to Zane, my friend from school. We hope you subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, and if you want us to make some more Play-Doh, if you want us to give a big thumbs up. If you like this video, if you want us to make some more Play-Doh, see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Oh, and can we also hit 1 like and 1 subscriber? Thanks for watching. Bye.
And also hit 1,000 million subscribers.
Goodbye.